Hi, thanks for joining me today. If you want to take advantage of any of the freebies or discounts that I found for you, click one of the links in the description. Thanks for the support. Now let's get started. Today I'm going to show you how to make quick pickled green beans, great for the keto diet, great for getting electrolytes in your diet, and very, very tasty and crunchy. Check it out. All right, so you're going to get some cloves of garlic, chop those. Put them in your boiling brine. You're going to let them boil for 4 minutes. And your brine consists of 1.5 cups of vinegar, 2 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of light salt, which has potassium, magnesium, calcium, and sodium, 2 teaspoons of dill. You're going to prep all your green beans by cutting off any bad parts or ends. So they're prepped and ready to go. You can do them as long as you want, as short as you want. This process takes maybe 1 or 2 minutes to get all of them done. Rinse off your green beans. Fill your cleaned and sterilized jar with green beans. Pour your prepared boiled brine into the jar. Seal up your jar, fingertip tight, and let it set for 10 minutes until the top pops. Now this is for refrigerator pickles if you want to eat these within a week or so. If you want to keep them on the shelf for a long time, make sure you hot water bath these for 10 minutes and then let them pull out and pop. So this one here, we're just going to let sit out, but if you want to keep it for a long time, up to a year, maybe a year and a half, hot water bath can them for 10 minutes where the water comes up to here and let it boil for 10 minutes. Let your pickled green beans sit for 2 to 3 days to get the optimal sourness and pickling. After that, they are ready to eat. They're also great for the keto diet because, one, you're able to get the electrolytes that you need because it has potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. And they're also low carb. So you can actually have these, and with the vinegar, it's going to also give you an appetite suppressant, so you're going to want to eat less.